Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. On top of the senior brother of all the television station when they inside Obodo the world, Wazobia TV, Star Times Channel 195, and Ezuku Chukudi Anunkubi knack our school uniform. Come on top of the show today to discuss the Chibok girls matter. Why? Now, sake of say 365 days after they packed those girls for government girls secondary school inside Chibok, we still discuss the matter and they hope say these girls they go come back. Nkubi.
Yes, but make we also look at Chukudi. Me, I don't admit say yes to an extent. Say the state government the state way they kidnap this girl. To an extent, they at fault.
Talk am again.
No, they at fault.
No. Because you bring your voice down. Anytime when you admit, you don't bring your voice down.
Also, Chukudi also tell us some good truth. The federal government on their own plan, on their own this thing, also get them wrong.
Wait first, calm down.
No, tell us no. Because the way their quick action to that this thing came late, and the way they so sluggish about the whole matter, can't even make the something, can't weaken people.
Nkubi.
No, Chukudi, I won't make you also admit to that.
And wait,
admit to that first.
No, they force me to admit waiting and make a talk first. So, if fire they burn for your house, how you go come out and shout fire, 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 fire? You go put swag for the fire when they shout, or you go shout fire. Let everybody know say you dey in distress.
Okay.
Thank you very much. The governor of Borno State, when this thing happened, remember saying a partial emergency. Who could be? We go back to this in a partial state of emergency.
Partial.
Normally, when the governor is there,
that a level of movement is okay. Now this,
thank you.
This is how far now.
Thank you. And normally, if they declare state of emergency, we see what happen for Plateau. We see what happen for Ekiti.
Of course, yes.
You go appoint administrator. The administrator for 6 months go oversee everything when they happen. But this one a partial. The governor still there. It's supposed to be the responsibility of the governor to open correspondence with the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Who could be where me land?
No, I still want to.
Oga Jonah de Abuja, the governor there for Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State.
Even when the Oga Jonah say, look, okay, because this person know they get this thing right. Because under him, see what now don't go wrong. And the fact say he even take Oga Jonah weeks to even come talk about that Chibok thing. He got it wrong there. And apart from that, hold on. And apart from that, okay, this state is not getting this thing right. Okay, what do I do? Now, partial state of emergency today. While may I implement full state of emergency?
Oh, make you implement full state of emergency. Make una come and come say in the power the enter
under civilian government, we never
not be waiting una they do.
Under civilian government, we never see
who could be? If
under the regime of OBJ, we see full state of emergency for Plateau State.
Una wey fit blame Harmattan on top of Oga Presido.
The person
if Oga Presido come declare full state of emergency, wetin for happen?
We not see results.
Una dey complain about everything.
Chukudi.
Say the truth and shame the devil.
I want you to admit.
Even for the full emergency.
Admit say.
I will not
admit say the federal government is wrong.
Let's break it down.
Also admit say
we must break it down.
On their own part to an extent also got it wrong.
We must break it down before we admit.
Okay, break it down.
You don't go command. You cannot blame the military. It's a fallacious statement to blame the military.
Okay, tell me.
Yes, you can't blame the government. I don't explain this thing. The same partial state
because
of emergency.
Not be what them say. Okay, with all these things, military they talk about. What them say no saboteurs there.
Now they tell you.
For that, blame them because they're militaries.
Now those people now they spoil the work of government.
They're still militaries who they spoil the whole thing.
And it be like say now una people.
No, now that see Chukudi. The first time they admit to something, and I expect you to admit to it. No, just come make a personal.
You can't force me to admit to it.
You are already. Your language, from the tone of your voice, from the way, from your conscience, what they see.
We see you, they see. From
your language, from the language of the talk where they talk. So say yes. Now true they talk.
You want to call use me, can't lie on top of this show now.
From the language of what they talk.
You want to use me, can't lie on top of this show. I go tell me say now, you know they talk true. You are a liar. Which show you they talk? Which show you they talk? Who make we go back to the root of this matter?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you want to share?
Keep dancing around the root.
Who could be?
But take them beyond the root.
Okay, make
take them beyond the root. And also accept your own blame.
Make I give you an example. Papa pays school fees. Papa register Pikin for school. Pikin go school. Pikin they attend classes. Pikin can't fail. Thank you very much. You go blame the papa or you go blame the student. Nobody student you go blame
how far papa don't sit down with him Pikin to ask Pikin how they do for school. If they try,
thank you.
Okay, check in books to know whether the assignment they give him, whether he get them right. Okay, in work for school, whether they try and others they try.
You don't put yourself for trouble.
Okay, tell me how to put myself for trouble.
Make I can explain. Thank you. Make I can use our Presido as papa. Make I use the governor of Borno State as Pikin. Okay. You understand?
Make I can use
thank you very much. Now, asking them, remember, say the right give principal, the right give the governor, say they need protection.
But hold on, under protection, Igbo. Oga Igbo, good morning.
Oga Shukudi, good morning. Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igbo.
Good morning, Oga Igbo. Help me tell Nkubi because this show, me and I get problem on all this show now.
Hold on, make Igbo talk.
Ukubi.
Yes.
They talk direct to you for this matter. What would they talk? You want to tell me, say, the federal government go there everywhere? What is the state government?
Partial state of emergency will be there and gone.
See, that will not be state. See, that will not be state of emergency. That will not be state. Because if you say state of emergency,
partial.
You have to hand over to the military.
Thank you. Thank you.
When they catch those guys, who could be mad tell you? You will first start off from the principal. What did the principal don't do? Down to the local government people and the governor. What did they don't do to say, and the northern elders? What did they don't do? Say, okay, see, what did the effort they don't do to say, may they find this gate? Because now you point all fingers to the federal government. You cannot, the federal government, not be mini president or mini science, cannot be everywhere. That's why they get state government, they get principal. What did they not do? Now they kidnap the gate. Was the principal in the school where this thing happen?
Thank you.
The matron where they there, the matron was supposed to be on duty that day. Was he on duty?
Thank you. Like say you even go body school. You talk and play.
You ask all those questions first. We all those because for body art, they get everybody on duty. For that, they become a body house go. You go tell me, say, nobody on duty. When they say, carry those guests come out, nobody see them. You blame the federal government. Who could be? No, that is not done.
It is not done. But to an extent, I still stand on my own word, say, to an extent, okay, fine. The state government don't admit, say, yes. Okay, then get their own fault. But federal government say, get a share of the blame.
Federal government get your share of the blame.
Thank you.
Wait now, listen. Who could be? Before they kidnap those girls, before they move them from place to place, you won't tell me, say, nobody for that community they are aware for the movement.
Oh.
Nobody go there aware for the movement. You want them to say now, say, make I give example, if soldiers go war, they will catch some as POWP, prisoners of war. They will catch the key from one place. You go see say now the responsibility of the soldiers, you see, they will go back, try to rescue the men, but they know where they did because where they take catch them, they go must know the place. You want them to say, when they carry those Chibok girls from that school, down they cross many local government. You won't tell me say nobody for the community, no northern elders is aware.
Oh.
But 4 hours.
But what?
Will you allow me talk?
But what?
Will you allow me talk?
We should allow you talk.
No, not bring that one. No. Somebody is aware.
Thank you.
You cannot see.
Oga Igbo, thank you very much. You don't even make your point. You don't even give me more thing to finish Nkubi.
Okay.
And I will finish you.
I will finish you.
I will finish you.
I will finish.
When I finish you, why can you finish me? After I finish you.
Oh, we are both finishing ourselves.
No, you will finish before I finish.
You will
finish before I finish.
You will finish before I finish.
will finish you
before. This is
before
your wrong height. This is your height. Very soon you go see shrink. I will finish you.
You say I go shrink.
No, you not finish you. We'll talk about it. I will finish you. Let's go ahead.
What is concern shrink with Chibok matter what they discuss?
Oga Polycarp from Enugu, good morning.
Good morning, Gobi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Please, we are talking no violence.
Oh, no.
Violence for studio.
Tell Nkubio, because they don't win election.
He started it.
He started it.
Not going to cool down. Not going to cause the problem over the day.
Okay.
The thing is, first of all, we cannot rule out the governor of that state.
Thank you.
Because he is the chief security officer of the state.
God bless you, sir.
He's supposed to do everything possible within his power before he going to talk to president.
Thank you, sir.
Another thing I want to make a look backwards is make a think of the thing where the Chad president to talk. That is the president of Chad. He talked to say it's a the place where Shekau there.
Oh.
And I believe he said that if Shekau no surrender himself, he will come and get him from the place where he's there.
Thank you.
And I believe those guys are not far away from where that man there. So another thing is maybe we think of the Osama Bin Laden issue. Because now we're going to look for these people in the bush of Gaza. Then we're looking for Osama Bin Laden of Afghanistan, but you don't have the example of Pakistan. So maybe the government and every person concerned, make them try to go backwards. So towards the towns, where they close to that place where there's that Chibok there. If you go out those guys for that place, we're looking for bush when they're there for inside town. Because I believe if they are living inside that town, the soldiers might have recovered the corpse of some of them or graves where they bury them. So I think you are doing a very good job, but make them not fight, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Thank you very much. No, just respect. No, just respect it. Oga Polycarp.
Now you respect ourselves. Now you need them because
you and I need them.
I don't. They calm down since.
I don't calm down.
You tell me say me I go shrink.
You tell me say you go finish me.
You come now. You come make you talk say I go shrink.
I said I go shrink you. That's finishing you. I will finish you.
You can't bring shrink into the matter. Make we take Winnie when they call us from Abuja. You go answer this thing.
Winnie, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Winnie.
Uncle Bianchi, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to chook mark for this one.
Okay, yeah.
This Chibok years of 18, only God fits know whether it's truth or not life. But this is just like when they started plotting against Oga Presido before the Chibok years issue came up. The governor is there. Oga President is not good for Abuja. They see what they happen for other states. And this is why they have states and governors. Are you telling me they did not catch the principal, the vice principal, no teacher was among them? They just took the children.
Only the girls. Only the girls. Thank you.
From one station to another station, no military, no policeman, no security saw them. And we heard that before this thing happened, they gave the government information that people like this are coming, and nothing was done until they came. People kept quiet until they took these girls away. And they are telling us that there's something like Chico. It's only God that knows the truth. But Jonathan has gone out. He has come out for them. Let Chico girls come out now. We want them to come out. Anybody that can help to bring these girls back should bring them back. The governor made a very big mistake. He did not perform his work. So I'm even suspecting him that now he's among these people of a team. Because if he knows one, for keep quiet, if for fight him well, before that president come out, if for fight him. It's like a man and a woman in the house. You're going to work, you pay your wife money to cook. Before you come back from work, there's no food. Who's to be blamed?
Thank you.
The man did not provide the money. You provided the money for the food.
Thank you.
They should keep telling you stories. Come on. Let's call a spade a spade. These governors should know what is right to do.
Thank you.
Not when they give people for heart against somebody, they fight and so they don't succeed. They can't lay the blame on God for that president. Sure, president should they go. Another person don't come. Oh yeah, let them start from here and stop.
Thank you very much, our big auntie. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Madam.
Make her thank her before you thank her. No, make her thank her before you thank her. Because the talk when she talk now, you should direct that talk to. So make her thank her, especially now. Before you go use your own tank, can't spoil my own tank. Thank you very much. I beg, tell your people to continue to watch as they hot. Make una they see the truth. Because na truth, now they come here, they always they speak. Who could be them? They always they find who they go blame for everything will happen. Shebi May 29 all this. May 29 all this finish.
You don't talk and finish.
Shebi May 29
you don't
all
talk
this
and
finish.
Madam Winnie, thank you for contributing at least that your own talk into this, and we'd also reason them. We go also check them to know how far.
Now you go check them. Now you go reason them.
Now you go check them.
Make we hear wetin Agbef they talk from Makodi. Oga Agbef, good morning, sir.
Hello, Chukwudi. How you doing?
Good morning, Oga Agbef.
The way your voice dey sef, you be like say you don ready to fire Nkubi. Abeg, give am.
Nkubi.
Hey, Oga Agbef.
How you doing?
I dey fine.
Look, sir, they watch you every day by day. The way the Chukwudi dey oppress you now, God don't help you. Now you do your power. Now.
Yes, so thank you very much.
Oga Agbef, who you dey support now?
Now Chukwudi,
Hey, you can't give a compliment. Enter
for entering. Hey, Chukwudi, see, Oga Agbef, thank you. Just chook mouth inside this matter bag. Chook mouth.
So, honestly, the same way I would say, the former power, the definite power, sir. But I pray to God, this guest, where they carry never, may they try to bring a comeback before this new president will take over. This is not fit. But me, I know that this president will get power. God will give us strength to beat all those guys. And those guys, you don't say where they go. You don't say, you don't for 1 year, 1 day now. I go to wait till we talk. So I pray to God, may God give this new power where they can may they beat all those guys. Call back.
Thank you very much, Oga Agbef.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your contribution. Everybody they pray. Let them bring back the girls. Bring back the girls.
Our prayer be that.
Bring back the girls.
Our prayer
Now
be that.
don't they cry for for 1 year now.
Our prayer be that.
Now
But
prayer.
again, we go like emphasize them. Say even though sometimes our opinion about the matter fit dey different, but one thing dey for sure. These girls, when these Chibok girls, when we say they go school to go acquire education, Boko Haram Jaguda people, they're bad. Anyhow when you want to say they're bad, come carry these girls by force, carry them come out from their family
Say,
and
school,
from
we no want make them go that school.
Say we don't want make them go school. We dey against any action like that, and together we dey condemn anybody when we say if they block people to acquire education, because education they free us from say our all the eyes when we say all the things when we say we no fit see. Education they make am come out and we dey fit see those things clearly. So we dey talk am here say together. We want also all the people when we say on the campaign since former education minister, even though sometimes some people feel no like her, but the fact that she don't consistently dey on top of this matter, that is Obieze Kwesili, and all the people when they come out every day to continue to talk this matter of bring back our girls. Today we dey celebrate all of them. We dey celebrate these girls, and because of say our Oga President don't promise us, say with collective will we go fit comot these Jaguda people, and our Oga President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don't talk say we go need sacrifice to take win this battle. We know say soon and very soon we go win this war against these Boko Haram Jaguda people, and Nigeria go be great once more. Quickly, make we take messages where we say people they send us on top of Facebook. We get plenty people when not sending messages. I go take them one after the other. Kingsley Obiako talk say those girls now one of the failure when we say Oga Jonah government he achieved with that. David Blanca Ogbanje, hey, he don't say those girls know they exist. Say na APC propaganda to spoil Oga Jonah tenure. Uguba Undubisi Uguba talk say na God go save us. And Elumelu Charles come shout fallacy. He say fallacy, nothing like Chibok girls. Say how many girls they write physics exam for our school. Say how many girls even did the school self. Say make we not take their head play. Oga Elumelu Charles. Not be we talk am. The news break out. We see principal. The government talk. People don't even talk, say they see the Chibok girls for some kind of places. And they show us video of plenty girls. Boko Haram Jaguda people show video of plenty girls, way plenty. If you come begin the answer, say, how many people they write physics for our school? Not even bring that question.
Who will say go ask?
Now you go ask.
If you ask me, who I go ask?
Who I go ask? Now you go ask.
No.
Now you go ask.
He's asking us.
He's not asking us.
So the question, the answer, the response was supposed to be that. If he asks us, who will go ask?
Your class is your class. My class is my class. He's asking you. He's not asking me. Make we take Suleiman. Suleiman, they call us from the ancient city of Kano. Oga Suleiman, good morning, sir.
Oga Suleiman, good morning.
You see, as you don't use strong voice for sure.
No.
See, as you use strong voice for sure.
Okay, since we know see Oga Suleiman, since Oga Suleiman no fit talk to us, make we at least make we even go see small water drink before you go talk say this thing. Make we go for break abeg.
Now you need that water. You go take the water. Oga Suleiman.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning. I call his name, he answer. You see,
sorry. Good morning. I was very appreciate the way you call my Asian city name. I was very happy.
We also happy.
How was your night?
We thank God. Oga Suleiman, I beg Chukma for this matter.
Yes, of course. Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
A very big congratulations to you again.
Thank you very much.
I hope you will bring that ballot box back so that Chukudi will count only 7 and 4. You should put 19.
Avi.
Now so now.
Oga Suleiman.
Going by the rating.
Oga Suleiman, you don't start again, no.
Right on.
No problem. Let me chook mouth for this Chibok girls matter. You see, the truth of the matter is that right from the beginning, the very day they come and kidnap those girls, people raise alarm. But what will happen to present government? Just people, that even outside the government, they start shouting, this is scam, this is lie, this is what. I don't think if I'm the president of this country, something like this happen, even if it is lied, I will shut down everything. I'll focus on that matter first. If it is lie, I will know. If it is true, then I will gather my resources to make sure that I rescue over 200 girls for God's sake. But the government decide to fold their hand, trading blame with opposition is happening. It did not happen. It happened. It did not happen. But look at the stage we are today. We cannot find at long last the government convinced and agreed that yes, those girls are really kidnapped. Try to put resources. And to me, the government did not put effort enough to make sure that they rescue these girls. If I could remember, there was a time when the American army were saying that they connive, they put hands together with the Nigerian military, higher-ranking military. They sit together in Abuja in the defense headquarters. They say they send their drone. The drone capture the exact area where those girls are. They now come in the night. They plan how to rescue those girls. They set everything together. But what will happen as they prepare their soldiers to go and rescue those girls inside Sambisa forest? As they send their drone for final surveillance or whatever, as the computer capture them, they just saw this Boko Haram with a mass, what are they calling? Max. Because according to their plan, they say if they want to go for that rescue, they have to spray that nerve gas all over the bush. Are you hearing me?
Yes, yes.
They said they are going to spray that nerve gas so that everybody will fall unconscious. So they will, within 12 to 24 hours, that nerve gas will work on their body. They will rescue the girls. They will start treating them immediately. Then the Boko Haram, they will arrest all of them simply. But what will happen? The Nigerian higher-ranking military, they inform Boko Haram that this is what we're planning. When they send out their drone, they just capture, the computer capture them, those Boko Haram, using the, what are they calling, Navgas marks. They said the marks they are using is not even ordinary marks. They say very expensive. They say, how does Boko Haram know about their plan and their rescue?
Oga Suleiman, you don't make very, very important point. And I'm still waiting with the talk. Say, a lot of people get fought for inside this matter. Because if really we want to make me say the problem be something of the past, we go feed them together. But some people put bad mind for this matter. Thank you very much. I beg continue to the watch as the hot. Make you they tell the people from the ancient city of Kano, say that the #1 Ogbonge Politics discussion show. We go rush, go break now. Come back for the final phase of the show. We dey come back. The president-elect, Oga Muhammadu Buhari, don't talk, say, collective will now we go take use pursue these Jaguda people come off our country. And our Oga president don't talk, say, we need to pay the sacrifice to make our country move forward. If we join these two together, it means, say, all of us go do what we fit do as people of one Nigeria to take save this country. 365 days after the Chibok girls, Jaguda people carry them for their school, we see they talk and say, all the people when we say get fault for the matter, they don't accept them. And now to move forward, now be the way forward. And what be the way forward? Make all of us join together. Forget all the things we don't call ourselves, all the yabo we don't yab ourselves, and move forward.
At least the beautiful thing is say Oga President don't do it, he don't start up. At least he don't promise say yes, and the Jagoda people say he go do it, he go make sure say he deal with them, and then we don't see how far the work don't go, and then we hope say as this work they take go, at least eventually we go fit do it, we go fit get results from eventually. We get caller from Kaduna, Prince from Kaduna. Good morning, Prince.
Hey, Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, Oga Prince.
And Uncle, good morning.
Good morning. We dey fine.
All right. What I want to say is, you see this issue of Chibok girls. Well, I don't really know whether to believe if it is true or not because of the way things are happening. You know, we must not. It's not everything that we're going to blame federal government for. You understand? Because we are civilized Nigerians as we're supposed to be. We are civilized Nigerians. We're supposed to know good from bad. So for people to say, for people to start using these Chibok girls, I see it as a scam. To me, I see it as a scam because I just see it as it's a way of probing this government to show that this government is not doing anything concerning security. Because you will not tell me that a government there's a governor in a state. And this kind of thing is happening, and you be blaming federal government. You understand? Because I believe we are supposed to be realistic. Even if those girls are being kept hostage, as said, I believe they are just being used. They are just being used to tie government down. And there's one thing I want to tell you, Nkubi. You hear about?
Yeah.
One way they chop kola nuts, that inside kola nuts you do.
Oh, so, thank you very much. Oga Prince, you don't even talk and finish. This is the way you talk now. I get the mind to talk am. Thank you very much.
And again,
thank you very much, Oga Prince. Our Nigerian people, they always talk and say, Nigeria and our country, go spoil. Make all of us join our hands together to move our country forward. Nkubi, you go talk the bye-bye before I borrow.
Bye-bye, our viewers.
That's your assignment. You don't do them. That assignment. I want check my own whether your own correct.
Assignment.
I want use my own, check your own.
Oh, since where y'all dey talk here since. Now no say I do assignment abi.
Wait now.
Come on, leave my bag.
Wait.
Leave my bag alone. Assignment.
Make I just copy am.
Assignment.